what's going on, guys? We're back here with another tutorial video. Today we're just going to be demonstrating how the ZL1 and the ZR1 have no lift shift from the factory. This is a 2013 Camaro ZL1. It just has TSP 1 7/8 and Corsa catback, a Rotofab cold air intake, and a UPR catch can. Other than that, this thing is bone stock. Your tuner should know what he's doing in hopes of keeping the flat foot shifting on. If he doesn't, I'd find a new tuner. And you'll notice that I will keep the throttle fully mashed on the ground, and the only thing that's going to be moving is the clutch. So let's go. And just past the cop, but let's see if we can do it again. That is how you no lift shift on a 5th gen ZL1 or a 6th gen ZR1.